I'm Suzanne, or Susan. I'm an expert at Performatory, involved in process design, so you'll be seeing me there. What do people need to know about me? I like to combine inspiration from the cultural sector to social innovation. So I love to use inspiration from theater, location theater. I love Oerol. If you don't know what that is, look it up. And I also love to use your body instead of only thinking with your head and coming up only with ideas from there. I have inspiration about that and why that should be helpful in processes. So if any of this interests you, come and have a chat.
I'm an expert and my main purpose is to inspire students to get the best out of themselves. And not only students, also, of course, everybody walking around in this world. And my name is, of course, Mike. And this is Toby.
Hi, Team 15. My name is Annette. I'm a so-called expert at Performatory. I run the English lab with all the participants and the extension lab together with Mike and all the participants. At Performatory, I hope to contribute to an atmosphere and contribute and foster an atmosphere in which we all cherish different perspectives, in which we're willing to learn, in which we're all eager to contribute to social innovation.
Hi guys, my name is Angelica van Dam. I'm an expert experience design, but I also used to do process design. So I think for a student you should combine all the designs in one, because then you can really enhance things and really make something a success.
Hello, my name is Frank. As you all know, I guess, and I've been an expert in Performatory for quite a while. I think now again, when I started with you, Team 15, I just loved the job to work with you all and see new, bright, fresh faces and help you out in finding your way at Performatory and finding your way as a social innovator.
Hello there. My name is Gert Pepels. I'm an expert in really looking at and enjoying to bring all kind of topics on transformative social innovation to you. That's what I would like to do most. I like to engage you in all kinds of change processes going on in today's society.
Hi there, I'm Jacco and I'm also part of the Performatory. I'm an expert in community design and I'd love to meet you as soon as possible in real life.
Hey, my name is Estelle. I'm 21 years old. My role at the Performatory is being a connector, and as a connector, I mainly focus on people because I have quite a big passion for people, and when I say that, I mean I like to analyze the way people think and how they act on their thoughts.
Hi, my name is Alex and I am your connector for this year. I like people, I like working, I like the performatory, and to do more of that I became a connector and I'm here now to do such a thing.
Hello Team 15, I'm so excited to meet you. Hi, I'm Jenske. I will be one of the connectors this year and I will be focusing on the students. So if there's something wrong or you have questions or you want to be connected to someone, I'm your person to go to. So let's go to the fun questions.
Do I have a weird talent? We were playing chess out of our minds, so call this blind chess.
I eat a lot, but you cannot eat in class. I only can.
If I would be an animal, I think I would be a horse. Why? I don't know. Big.
Yeah, I love to walk the dog. Let's show. There she is. Beautiful, isn't she?
What is important for me, of me to know is, well, I'm addicted to Coca-Cola, so...
Not really weird talent, but I do have some mediocre video editing skills that I use here or there.
I have absolutely no weird talent. Doing this, recording such a clip is already completely weird to me.
I think my favorite animal is a swallow. A swallow because it flies so hard and fast, it skims over the water.
If I could choose one, I would love to be a bird so I could fly.
If I would be an animal, I would definitely be a cat. In real life, I absolutely hate cats, but yeah, cats tend to be quite cuddly and sassy and fierce, and I guess I'm quite a cuddly person as well. And from time to time I could be a bit sassy. So yeah, I would definitely be a cat.
Bye!
And let's meet each other! I would say I miss you, but I cannot miss you basically.